Anyone can host an event, but not everyone can create a magical experience that people can remember. Managing events is complex. There's guest list, invitation, coordination, visibility, and one mistake can ruin the entire experience. Now, that is why we have the Xclusiv Event feature. It is a complete system to create, manage, and elevate both physical and virtual events. Now, to create stunning events in minutes, whether it's a private VIP gathering or a fashion luncheon or even a global virtual experience, we can manage everything all in one place. We can have the guest list, the schedules, the updates, the flow, all structured under one control. And you can do this with the XCLUSIV platform. Here, you can send personalized invitations directly to your audience. You can track responses, confirmations, and attendance in real time. Host physical events and stream them virtually or run fully digital experiences all from the same platforms. Another thing you can do on the XCLUSIV platform is to turn your event into business opportunities. You can drive visibility, engagement, and revenue from every single experience. Let me show you how to use the Xclusiv Event feature. Step 1. Click on Create Event. Next, you can add your event details such as your title, your date, your location, and choose whether it is a physical, a virtual, or even a mixture of both. Next, you can customize your event with images, descriptions, and branding so it directly reflects the quality of the experience you are about to give your guest. You can select your guests and send invitations instantly with full control over who attends. You can track responses, manage attendance, and stay fully in control before, during, and after your event. On every event day, we are expecting that everything should run smoothly. So whether it's a physical experience or a virtual stream or a hybrid of both, you get the best experience possible. Now, this is not just event management. This is how premium experiences are created, controlled, and scaled. Start creating your event on the XCLUSIV platform today and turn every moment into a powerful experience.